everyone, it's Jennifer here and welcome to part 1 of shopping in Australia. Today, we focus on your everyday needs. Food, clothing, household items, personal items and so forth. Food, glorious food. In Australia, we rely on our supermarkets to purchase at least some of our everyday food, personal and household needs. Foreign supermarkets have penetrated the Chinese market, but in Australia, our supermarkets as well as Aldi still dominate. Many supermarkets now use self-checkout. This means that when you check out, you scan the items yourself, you pay for the items yourself, and you bag the items yourself. This has made supermarket shopping a lot more efficient. But of course, staff is on hand to help if you need. But if you're like me, you prefer the market atmosphere. Australia has some of the best meat, seafood and produce in the world. And at your local markets, with the butchers, the fishmongers and the produce guys that have been in the business for years, they will provide some of the best quality. For a larger range of personal items as well as medicine, you can visit our chemists and pharmacies. They will stock everything from soap to cough medicine to bandages. And some of the stores are larger than what you imagine. You can also pick up your prescription medicine there. Need something to fix your door? Our local Bunnings is a one-stop shop for your home and DIY needs. They will stock everything from mirrors to pot plants to a brand new kitchen sink. They're also large warehouses, so don't be afraid to ask for directions. Another store that is in a large warehouse is one that you might be more familiar with, IKEA. Now, Australia has many smaller and locally run furniture shops, and I always encourage people to support local business. However, there is no denying the love that we have for IKEA. The first store opened in Australia back in the 70s, and it has been a part of our lives ever since. Sitting in class and don't have a notebook? Chances are there is a local newsagent nearby. This is where you can pick up stationery, notebooks, pens, magazines, and even snacks. Otherwise, there is Officeworks, which is a big supermarket for stationery as well as your home and office needs. Finally, if you're looking for a new outfit or a birthday present, our department stores have you covered. With departments for everything from clothing to cosmetics, electrical, and things for every room of your house, you are sure to find something that you need. Join me again next time for Shopping for Special Interests.